Here is the Craftsman V20 impact driver. It's the one drawback I feel it has is the quick disconnect chuck. It's nice and quick, but it leaves the bit pretty loose, so you can see how much wobble there is with the bit in there. And starting a drywall screw or screw into wood is definitely trickier. It's very fast and it does start, but it's much more wobbly than a typical chuck where you tighten it by hand. So by comparison, here's the same bit in another drill with a typical chuck. The bit doesn't wobble at all in the chuck, and it's much more stable and easier to start a screw. Here's the Craftsman one more time. It takes a little more attention and getting used to it. It does work, but it's definitely it's definitely one of the drawbacks. I'd prefer a typical chuck that holds the bit tighter with the sacrifice of a few more seconds of installing it.